Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about capacitor and some basic term related to capacitor. And what is the capacitor? Capacitor is an electronic device. It is a device. And what is its purpose? Now it store electric charge. It store electric charge. Here it means to say that an device which store electrical charge is called capacitor. Means capacitor having ability to store electrical charge. Now in capacitor having different shape, size and having different capacity to store electrical charge, and here we use a term ability to store charge. This is called capacitance of a capacitor. Now this term is I also include in our expression. Now here we take a parallel plate capacitor. We take a two plate of a conducting material and separated by a particular distance. Now the medium in between the plate is we provide as an insulator. We take it here as a air, and paper in between the plates of the capacitor. Now this plate is connected to external source. I connect it to this plate with a cell which provide a necessary potential difference having charge Q plus Q charge are taken, and the second plate having charge minus Q. And here the total charge of a capacitor is zero. And generally we can say that if the large amount of charge is stored by the capacitor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the plate of the capacitor, means Q is proportional to V. And here we remove the sign of proportionality. We take a sign of equality, and we can also take some constant which is called C, and here C is the dead property. I have already discussed about that. This is the capacitance of the capacitor. Now here C is capacitance of a capacitor. Now here we can also put as a V. Now Q is equal to CV is the general formula, and here we can take a C is equal to here Q by V. And what is the unit of C? Means capacitance. Coulomb per volt, means coulomb per volt is the unit of capacitance of a capacitor. Now in another term, this is represented as a farad. Now farad, and represented by a letter F. Now here 1 farad is a very large unit. So in practical purpose we use a small unit such as a 1 picofarad, which means 10 to the raised power minus 12 farad, and 1 nanofarad, which is equal to 10 to the raised power minus 9 farad, and so on. Such here we use a small units for our practical purpose because of 1 farad is a so large amount of capacitance. You can think that it is so large if a plate of few kilometer length and few kilometer wide, and two plates are same kind are placed together. The spacing between the two plates is so large, and now we can reach the 1 farad capacitance. And in practically this is not possible. Now we can here also measure the capacitance of a capacitor if the charge on a plate is mentioned and the potential difference across the plate is also mentioned. Then we can calculate the capacitance of a capacitor. Now thank you. This is our topic capacitor and a basic term capacitance.